What is up, guys? Today we're doing another unboxing video. The big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! A monitor and a PC. Let's do this thing. I've got the scissors right here. Let's go. So I'm gonna open them up. Which one should I do first? Monitor or PC? Okay, I'm guessing you guys said PC, so let's do monitor first. Why does that say the action so easy to cut? Yo, guys, what is this? Oh, I forgot. You have to build the monitor. How many? We'll figure it out as we go. Okay. Holy crap. What the heck? Okay, this is the actual monitor. So the screen. It's bigger than I expected. Let's just say that. Yo, guys. This thing. Here's a size comparison. Holy crap. This thing's almost as big as my legs, going up to my waist. Yo. It also has a small curve, so that's cool.